We are now 5 devlogs in, and I realized something. This game friggin' sucks. I realized that throughout the last few episodes of making my auto battler game, I lost touch with what I wanted this game to be. Well, in this episode, I want to throw this game in the trash and restart. Losing progress is never easy, but spending hundreds of hours working on a project you aren't even happy with is much, much worse. So what features am I keeping and what features are getting thrown out? Personally, I love the concept I created back in Devlog 0 and the gameplay I executed in Devlog 1. However, things start getting messy when I added in new mechanics to fill out the combat. The mana system, the timer for collecting new cards, and I know this is going to be a controversial decision, but the entire card system as a whole felt a little misplaced. So that's gone too. Coming back to the basics, we have a character running across a screen that can auto-attack enemies coming down the battle scene. Obviously, we have to do something here to spice up the gameplay loop, but trying to figure out what new direction I wanted to take the combat was extremely crucial. I thought back to what I wanted this game to actually be, and well, I think the most important idea is the idea of creating unique and customized playstyles that will make you feel accomplished in creating a strategy to demolish your opponents. I want players to feel rewarded coming up with fun playstyles, so I ended up going down the road of skill trees and spells over building a deck of cards to avoid randomness dominating the strategic battle design. This game will now focus on leveling up your character to customize movesets and abilities for more complex character building and strategizing before a battle. This is a concept I mocked up for the spell slots, as these will now be concrete skills you adapt to your character per battle. Once you select certain spells and passive abilities, you'll be locked in for the rest of the match until you either win or lose the specified stage. I play a lot of MOBA games which have a heavy focus on character building and customizing build paths, so it felt natural to make this a part of my dream battle game. Now, before we explore what massive updates and additions this game will get over the next few episodes, I want to quickly mention the importance of staying safe and secure on the internet with Surfshark VPN, the sponsor of today's video. Surfshark is here to keep you safe by masking all your online information being sent from your device to the internet. Not only do they keep you safe from large corporations buying your personal info to advertise you unneeded products, but this will also help keep you secure from cyber criminals and hackers as well. In this day and age, it's extremely important to make sure you are protected digitally, as most of us have pretty much everything valuable stored on a site or a login these days. Another awesome feature of Surfshark is the access to having your very own VPN. If you don't know what a VPN is or does, basically you are able to swap your location to anywhere around the world, so you will never be country locked ever again. Let's say you're on vacation and you can't find that show you've been binging back home. Well, with Surfshark, you can quickly and easily just swap back to your home country and continue your binge. I personally believe online safety is becoming more and more valuable, so make sure to click the link in my description to get an exclusive deal with the code Reece for an extra 3 months free. Well, that's all I got on online safety, so what are we expected to see over the next few devlogs on this game? Well, huge changes will be coming to the gameplay, but the first major change will be adjusting to team-based combat. Originally, I had the idea of one character facing off against dozens of enemies, but with this new concept, I wanted to create more of an army versus army type battle system. I mocked up some smaller, lesser versions of the characters and classes that will fight alongside you, similar to something I've seen in games like Kina or the Dynasty Warrior games. Now, the next addition will be the spells and skill trees that I talked about earlier in this video. I love RPGs that allow customization as you strengthen your character to add an element of character building, tinkering around with the perfect build combination that will dominate your opponents. Last but not least, the next big addition I want to make is on the level progression. I want to create some kind of scoring system that rewards players for doing well in a level, gathering some kind of overall score system that will unlock new zones and special customization options or classes when achieving high ranks in past stages. So think about some kind of level block where to unlock the next level, you need either a really high overall ranking on all of the past battles, or maybe some kind of grading system where on a specific level, you need to hit an A grade or higher to unlock a specific map. This will really help make the levels all feel unique and replayable, so making sure that every level feels authentic is definitely something I want to take my time with. I think adding these features to the game will really flesh out what I want this game to be and return to the focus back on character building over random card pulls. It creates complexity in character builds, but simplifies the in-game battling so you can focus more on what's actually going on in each fight on screen. Overall, I'm excited to see where this game goes and implement all the adjustments we talked about today. Make sure to leave a like if you want to see more devlogs, and comment down below your thoughts on this gameplay overhaul. Thank you so much for watching another one of my devlogs, and I'll see you soon in the next video.